I just replaced my old Campbell Hospital air compressor, which was a good unit, with something really cool I found on Craigslist. This Air Techniques L66 dental compressor. So, let's see, it's got two of these 1 horsepower. What's the brand on these things? Copeland. Copeland. What's it say? Dark back in there. Yeah. Copeland pumps. It's a 220 unit. So nominally this is a 2 horsepower compressor, but the speed of it beats this guy. Although this is a 15-gallon tank on this, and so I think this guy here is 30. But running with my old one, I could hardly, or it wouldn't really keep up with something like this angled die grinder here, which is takes a lot of. Seems to hold there just below 80 or so. I didn't start with a full tank, and it's not regulated right now. So it's pretty quiet. And then the other cool thing, it has this old fancy air purge moisture purging system. So what happens is the pumps charge the tank through this dryer. So it goes through this, there's a couple of check valves in this block here, and then feeds into the tank. And then this is an unloader valve. This is pressurized air through a check valve and a snubber. It's a check valve, it's a selector valve. Should one of these pumps not be running, there's a ball in here that will seal off the other pumps so the air doesn't backflow. So when the pump's cut off, the unloader valve doesn't have pressure on this side of the diaphragm, and then air is purged back from the main input lines and from this dryer. So air is backflowing out of the dryer then and out of this port atmospheric vent on the back of that unloader valve. And you'll also see a line that goes from the back here. This snakes on down through here. There's actually a purge reservoir, an extra tank, air tank, small one back there, that is what we're hearing bleed down right now through this dryer thing. So it's a self-regenerating dryer. I had to do a little bit of work on it when I got it because somebody had not understood this, and they crimped off this tube here, and the diaphragm in this was brittle, and it had cracked and it leaked. So either kind of stopped working, so somebody sealed it off, they didn't understand it, or both. And so there's a lot of moisture in the system that shouldn't have been in there because the whole purge system is not working properly. Theoretically, there's a sight glass here that should have a blue background or a blue indication when the air is dry. I don't know whether that's ruined or not from having been exposed to more moisture than it was intended to. I upped the pressure just a little bit. The normal cutoff was 100 psi and the cut in would have been 80. Right now I have it about cut in at 90 and cut off at 130. The tank is working pressure rated to 150. I don't know what these Copeland pumps do, but they're quite capable. I also wanted to just show you the difference in how loud, or quiet I should say, this model is compared to this, which is a good compressor. This is something you still pay, I don't know, $550 is the list price for this compressor new. I don't know whether it still is or not, but this guy, if it can be made out, this guy is made in the USA. So just plug that guy in real quick. Oh yeah, no Festiva, all gone. There are a couple pieces there, I guess, but I took the 300 pounds of the Festiva unibody to the scrapyard today. 8 cents a pound for it. So anybody wants a compressor, this is a good compressor. Okay, now for comparison. Yeah, I'm not sure if that's the tank drain's open down here. Duty like that since I served chili at the yoga party. Let's see, there's that. If I can get this to come back on again. It's quiet. It's hard to tell. This will be even quieter too. I got some new air filter muffler intake side stuff on the way. This also has cooling fans on the top here. The intake then blow down through here, but it's cool enough right now. I don't, at least with moderate duty cycle, I don't need any cooling fans on there. There it is, okay. Everyone's so loud I can't even hear when these fans are on. There we go. I put these switches on. Oh yeah, so I didn't tell you, It's kind of a special, what do they call it? I don't know. What it does basically is it just uncovers a really small orifice that allows the tank to drain back through the dryer while it's sitting there. It slowly purges the dryer out of the main tank, and so every 20 or 30 minutes it'll drain down to the point where the pumps will kick on again, and you'll get another purge cycle. You can see I've drained out a pretty good amount of water and gunk and stuff already that have been kind of latent in the system. That's not including what I wiped up, and I got some out of that tank drain too. Anyway, you can also see how much of a difference the amount of time it takes to build up a head. What are we at here? Focus. So much for that. Anyway, it's up over 120 there. There's a cutoff. I should race these. Of course, you can't compare it because they're twice the capacity. I could plumb the tanks together and then see what it takes to fill up both tanks simultaneously from each one. But anyway, I guess this is prettier in a way. At least that's what my wife says. This is just cool though. This is an awesome compressor. I like this. All right, thanks.